Loosen the acorn nut on the counting mold, remove the gland, and then use a hex wrench to remove the counting mold. Put on the counting mold, and push the discharging switch to check if the counting mold rotates. There are two parts of mold holes, and the straight line formed by centers of these two parts shall be perpendicular to the straight line formed by the center of the hole counting mold and the discharging hole. Put on the gland, pre-tighten the acorn nut, and then tighten with a 17 to 19 open-end wrench.